In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a group text on iPhone. To create a group text on iPhone, the first thing you are going to do, you have to open up your text message app. So let's do that. So once you open up your text message app, then it's going to show you something like this. I want you to check the top of this page. You're going to see a pencil, like a pencil icon over there. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will take you to this new message interface. So what I want you to do here, if you look here, you're going to see two. Where it says these two, if you check the front, you are going to see a plus sign over there. So I want you to tap on that plus sign. So this is where you can actually select the people you want to send it to. Let's select them. Let's select this first person. So if you do not have the contact saved on your phone, you can enter the phone number manually on this place. So you just have to tap on it again to select the second person. You can continue to tap on it like that to select those people you want to send the group message to. So once you do that, so once you are done selecting them, so what you want to do, check the down here, you're going to see where you can write your message. So you want to tap on that. So you want to write the message you want to send. So once you are done writing the message, if you check the front of that message, you are going to see a green icon pointing to the top on that. So you just want to tap on that green icon. Once you tap on the green icon, this message will be sent to those people you have selected successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually send group messages on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.